Hi friends, this is Amulya Varshija. Today I am going to explain how do we draw perfect outlines by using grid method. For this you need a pencil and a scale. For grid lines you can use mobile app. You can find lot of apps in Google Play Store. Here I selected a pic which I am going to draw. Here you can see rows and columns. In settings you can select square mode or rectangle mode. Here you need to use sharp tip to get thin lines. Here I am taking 3 centimeters for each box. Grid method will help you to improve your accuracy in your drawing. You will get perfect outlines and you can enlarge this image to your desired size. You have to remember one thing, the grid must have 1:1 ratio, which means you have to draw exact number of grid lines on your drawing paper as your drawing reference. These lines must have equal space. Make sure to draw very lightly so that you can erase easily. Now it's ready for drawing. Here I am starting from left side top of the corner. Just focus on one square at a time. Make sure your grid is accurate because your drawing is totally based on grid. This method is really helpful for photorealistic drawing. You can enlarge your drawing by using grid method. You need to check every box to correct if any mistake. After finishing outlines, gently erase the lines. In next episode, I am going to show how to draw this complicated hair. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it.